Hello students, today I am going to present my YouTube video for class 8A as well as B, and this is about the chapter 8 in textbook. The name of the chapter is A Short Monsoon Diary. This chapter is written by Ruskin Bond. First of all, the students, you should know what is the meaning of a diary. Now you should know what is the meaning of a diary. Diary is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. It can also be used for noting down important things one plans to do at once or in future time. One of the most famous diaries published as a book is the Diary of Anne Frank. Ruskin Bond, the author, portrays the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. रस्किन बॉन्ड जो कि इसका लेखक है, इसने प्रकृति के जो आश्चर्यजनक चीज़ें हैं इनके बारे में, ज़िंदगी के बारे में बताया है. पार्ट फर्स्ट, जून 24. द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मॉनसून मिस्ट. मिस्ट का मतलब होता है कोहरा. नाउ हियर देयर वॉज ए बॉय हुज नेम वॉज बिज्जू. The boy is calling his sister. The mist which has spread over the mountains is very melancholy. Melancholy means very sad, sorrow. June 25. The plants like cobra lily rears its head from the ferns. A schoolboy asked what is a hill. Now he wanted to know the definition of a hill. The author says a paradise that might have been. Now you should know the meaning of paradise. What is the meaning of paradise? Paradise means heaven. हिंदी में इसको स्वर्ग कहा जाता है. June 27. During the rains, some seasonal visitors like a leopard and several thousand leeches arrived. Jonk. Leeches means jonk. The leopard lifted a dog near the servant's quarter. In the evening, it attacked one of Bijju's cows but fled at the approach of Bijju's mother, who screamed a lot. She shouted a lot, and so the leopard went away. Part second, August 2. All night the rain made lot of noise on the corrugated tin roof. The roof was made of corrugated tin, and the water which fell on the roof, it was making a lot of noise. August 3. When the rain stops, the clouds begin to break up and the sun strikes the hill. A woman is chopping woods and the sound of tinkling of cowbells is heard. गाय के गले में घंटियां बंधी हुई थी और उनके चलने की आवाज़ सुनाई पड़ रही थी. August 12. Due to endless rain and permanent mist, the people haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. लगातार कई दिनों से बारिश हो रही थी और कोहरा था, तो लोगों ने 8-9 दिन से सूर्य का नज़ारा नहीं देखा था. And everything is damp and soggy. The late monsoon flowers with wild balsam, dahlias, begonias and ground orchids begin to appear. Now these are the names of the flowers. ये सब फूलों के नाम हैं. August 31. Snakes and rodents came out of their holes and burrows. Burrows means the underground hole which is made by these animals. जो नीचे बिल वगैरह बनाया जाता है जानवरों द्वारा. And take shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. The granny says, granny means the grandmother says, don't kill chuchundars as they are lucky and bring money. घरों में छुछुंदर पाए जाते हैं, कभी कभी आ जाते हैं, तो दादी ने कहा कि छुछुंदर को मत मारो क्योंकि ये अच्छे होते हैं, भाग्यशाली होते हैं और ये पैसा लाते हैं. October 3. After an evening hail storm, the sky and hills are suffused with a beautiful golden light. It was covered by golden light. June 26. There are winter rains in the hills. March 23. The blackest clouds surrounded Mussoorie and then it hailed marbles for 30 minutes followed by a rainbow. Marbles का मतलब वहाँ पर ओला वृष्टि हुई और करीब आधे घंटे तक ये हुई. उसके बाद इंद्रधनुष बन गया. Meanings of the difficult words. Melancholy. The first word is melancholy. It means very sad, full of sorrow. Second word is blankets. Blankets means covers, जो कि पूरी तरह से ढक दिया गया हो. Third one is fern. F-E-R-N. Fern means flowerless plant. Next one is heralded. Heralded means surrounded. Next one is imprecations. Imprecation means curses. Next one is scarlet. Scarlet means minuet. Scarlet minuet, it means bright red birds like a cuckoo, कोयल की तरह. Next one word is drongo. Drongo is a song bird, एक ऐसा पक्षी जो कि गाना गाता है. Now next word is ravine. R-A-V-I-N-E. Ravine means valley, घाटी. Next word is menace. M-E-N-A-C. Menace means threaten, धमकी देना. Now the chapter is over. You must have understood and liked my video. Now complete all the exercise, the activities given behind the chapter. Do it completely. Okay? And show your work to me tomorrow.